sound tore up, and you will go making noise with the vision of a gentle coast, and the sun to maybe dissipate shadows of the mess you made. Whoa. Brother, you don't need to turn me away. I was waiting down at the ancient gate. You will go wherever you go today. You will go today. And I remember how they took you down as the winter turned the meadow brown. You go